I'm starting a new era, a new chapter in my life, so let's start with moving out. She is literally me. Bear rug. I'm leaving LA, I'm moving out of this bitch. Thank God. Where do I begin? Hi, I'm Lily and I moved to LA 3 years ago. Why did that sound like I was doing an icebreaker when it's the first day of school? I feel like it's gonna be kind of boring for me to just stand here and tell you all the reasons why I'm moving out. I'm gonna tell you why as I clean out my closet so I can feel like we're besties FaceTiming. Also, do you guys like my outfit? It's so cozy and cute and snuggly. I love it. My roommate said I look like a cute little puffball. You guys want to see the state of my closet right now? It is very embarrassing. As you can see, nothing fits in my drawers anymore. They are literally stuffed to the max, and I just have a bunch of random stuff everywhere. Even if I wasn't moving out, this needs to be done. Literally nothing fits in here. Like, I need to get rid of clothing. I have so many clothing, like it's... Oh, I have so much work to do. Oh my god. I think the best way to do this is to make 3 piles. I'm gonna make a keep pile, a maybe pile, and a giveaway pile. Oh my god, I'm so excited, guys. You guys have no idea how long I've been waiting to do this. I've been holding off cleaning out my closet because I wanted to film it for you guys. So this is the first step to getting out of here. Look how cute this is. She stands up on her little stand. My boyfriend got me this. She is literally me. Alright, so first off, why did I even move to LA to begin with? I'm from the Bay Area, and right when I graduated high school, I decided to move over here. In my little old mind, 3 years ago, I thought I should move over here because it'd be so good for my career. All the famous influencers are over here, blah blah blah. And now, 3 years later, I'm like, I don't really need to be in LA to be successful. I'm ready to move on. I haven't worn this in a very long time, but when looking at it again, I'm like, wait, that's cute. I suck at getting rid of clothing, I swear. There's so many cute things I have in here. If I haven't worn it in the last 6 months, I'm just gonna get rid of it because I really need to get rid of a lot of clothing. Like, this is so cute. I never wear it. This bra is so cute. I have not worn this in forever. This is so cute too, but anytime I wear it, my spill out, so gotta get rid of it. All right, nice. One drawer is not clean. I literally bought this 4 months ago and I've never worn it. Maybe pile just because I haven't worn it yet. If I have too much clothing in the keep pile, I'm gonna have to do this again. I feel like if I'm growing being here, like I want something new. I never really intended on staying in LA for forever anyway. It was kind of just something I wanted to try out. I'll definitely miss my roommates, the pretty sunsets we get, beach being only 20 minutes away from where I live, but honestly that's about it. I came to the realization I'm not really a city gal. Like, I absolutely hate traffic. I hate how there's barely any freaking trees around me. I hate how expensive everything is here, like rent. Second drawer is now fully empty. Next one. Just lifestyle in general too isn't something that I like. Almost everyone that I know or have seen in LA has plastic surgery, and that's okay if you like that for yourself. But for me personally, I don't want to be like that. I feel like I'm a very impressionable person. I wish I wasn't, but facts are I am. If everyone around me has work done, guess what I'm gonna want to do? Get work done too. I never really thought about getting lip filler, a boob job, a BBL, plastic surgery, or anything like that until I moved over here. I feel like I should try to love my natural self, and I'm so young too. My body is still developing. I think I'd only seriously consider getting work done once I hit my 30s. But if I ever do get anything done soon, well, that's society 1 and me 0. I have never worn this in my entire life. I don't even know why I bought it. I just thought it was really funny. It's very true, but not gonna wear it, so we're gonna give it away. This is my keep pile. This is my maybe pile, which is so tiny. All of the giveaway pile, which is pretty good, honestly. But I need to get rid of more clothing, so I might look at this again and see what I can get rid of. I also need to go through my hung up clothing. I think I'll do that next, actually. Since I'm a content creator, I naturally ended up being around nothing but influencers. And the thing is, I kind of want a sense of community. A lot of these influencers care about networking, partying, making content together instead of trying to make genuine connections. So many of the friends I made here too ended up stabbing me in the back, doing something shady, or just not be a good friend. I don't know about you, but me personally, I don't want to be around friends where I constantly have to question what their intentions are with me and if they're actually good people. Like, that is not a way to live. Oh my god, guys, my closet is empty. Well, it still has a lot of things in it, clearly. When it comes to clothing, all done. By the way, in no way or shape or form am I trying to make it seem like I'm too good for LA or I'm better than LA. I'm just saying that I feel like a lot of people here in the environment in LA doesn't really line up with the morals that I want and person I want to be. So I just feel like overall LA just isn't a good fit for me, and that's okay. Now the big question you're probably all wondering, Lily, where are you moving to next? That's a secret I'll never tell. XOXO, gossip girl. Just kidding. So, can't believe I'm saying this. I'm moving out of state. Yeah, I'm not only moving out of LA, but I'm moving out of California too. I grew up here my entire life. You guys are probably like, what? You're moving out of state? Like that? You sound insane. I kind of am insane, but it's okay. You gotta live in the moment. Gotta go through experiences. Gotta live life. I kind of just like embrace it. I'm not really like, oh fuck, I have to move. Like, oh my god. Like, it's kind of like, I'm moving. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, new place, new town, new everything. I love new things. I think this is gonna be a fun experience. For now, this is all I'm telling you because I want to keep it a surprise. Now we can start packing the rest of my room, but before I do that, I want to take a moment to appreciate my room. I'm never gonna have this room again, and I put my heart and soul into decorating her. Like, it is literally the most favorite room I've ever had in the entire world. So quick little room tour one last time. This is the first thing you see before you enter my room. I have a bow on my door. Yes, I am one of those annoying coquette girlies. I have to put bows on literally everything. Then I have pictures on my wall that clearly didn't stick on properly, so they're coming down, they're coming down. And when you walk into my room, there's a bear on my floor. Bear rug, my favorite rug. And my laundry basket that my cats destroyed. I literally got this like 2 months ago, and within a week of me buying it, they destroyed it. And right behind my door, I have this whiteboard and this cute little picture of me and my boyfriend. I love how I got to decorate it and like put little hearts on it. I love photo booths that do this. It's so cute and fun. And then wildflower sticker, little My Melody plushie, and another My Melody plushie. Pictures of me and my boyfriend at the Hello Kitty Cafe when it was my birthday. This I made myself. Yes, I made it myself. And now my iconic bed that everyone on TikTok is obsessed with. They always ask me where I get my bed sheets from, and the answer is Amazon. They are expensive though, so if you want to be de-influenced, there is your reasoning. They're $100 and something. And here are my prized possessions, my children, my everything. I bought this myself. This my boyfriend randomly got for me because I wanted it, and this one he got for me on Valentine's Day, and I bought this one myself too. Right above my bed on this wall is my pictures that describe my personality pretty well, I'd say. I have my cat Luna, cute little kitty cat pictures because I'm obsessed with cats clearly. Another bow on my wall because I love bows. Put a bow on your wall. It makes the room look cuter. And across from my bed, I have this mirror. I know you're not supposed to put a mirror in front of your bed because it can give you nightmares. To be fair, I sleep in the corner of my bed, and this is facing this part of my bed, so I don't know if it really counts. Next to the mirror is this cat tree that used to be very pretty and cute, and now is completely destroyed and looks not the cutest. And it is all thanks to these sleeping, cute little creatures. But hey, that means it was well loved. Next to my bed, we have my pink fan. The AC here sucked during the summer, so that's why I have this. And here we have my curtains that I literally never used. They were basically like this for an entire year that I was here. So I just put these cute little claw clips on here to hold it together. And here is my beautiful desk where I edit my videos and watch Netflix. I have this little night lamp that lights up. These little Lego flowers that me and my boyfriend made, and this other night lamp. And then down here we have all of my jewelry. I love this jewelry stand. Oh my gosh, I love how it's shaped like a heart. I have way more jewelry than this. This is just the ones I chose to display because they look very cute and aesthetic. Down here we just have random pens and glasses and stuff. Right here is all of my brushes and scissors and stuff that I use quite often. And up here we just have my journals, my notebooks, and this is my case for my camera. My boyfriend also got it for me. My camera fits perfectly in here, so I think it was meant to be. My AirPod Maxes. Oh, and then my iconic heart chair. I've had this for a long time now. I think I might need a new one because it's dirty. So if you know how to clean that, let me know. Otherwise, I'm probably just gonna buy a different one. And then I have these cute little star and moon stickers on my window because I get direct sunlight in the morning, and when it hits these stickers, there's little rainbows that shine on my room. Looks like a fairy wonderland when you wake up. This cute little butterfly hair clip. Love my mirror that I like never really use. And this is my cat's cat food and my cat's cat water, my dresser, another little night lamp, my favorite candle. I made this at Color Me Mine. I painted it, and it's a little jewelry box. I have my little trinkets in there, and I even painted little flowers on there. My friend didn't believe me when I told him that I painted these flowers. He's like, really? Looks really good. I was like, yep, I painted these myself. Thank you very much. Oh, and this, my boyfriend also got me for Valentine's Day. It says, P.S. This is me inside when I look at you. So I just thought it was so cute, and I love looking at it every day. This is a box that has all of my ribbons that I've cut up in the last year or so. Yeah, there's a lot of ribbons in here, but I have no place to put them, so I just thought, hey, put them in here. Another candle I like, my Rilakkuma night lamp, my favorite night lamp. I have so many night lamps in my room. I just realized this little squishy thing that's for your wrists when you're typing and stuff. These are my colorful lamps. This is what they look like. This is the orange one, and this one right here is a moon. You can see that. It's very cute. This is my random section. I feel like every hot girl has a random section in her room. Really nothing to say about it. It's just my random corner. I got this from my Secrets After Sex concert. It's what held my merch, so I had to keep it, obviously. This cute little Hello Kitty poster that changes, like you see that. 1, 2, 3. And this is my closet doorknobs, which I am taking with me because I put these on myself and they're too cute not to take. And this is a cute little plushie that my roommate gave me because she said it reminded her of me. That is the room tour. Since you guys have officially seen my entire room, time to pack it all up. Moving on to my bathroom. I share a bathroom with my roommate, so obviously I'm only gonna be emptying out my things. Don't judge me, but this is what my makeup brushes look like. Instead of washing my makeup brushes like a normal person would, I'm gonna replace them with these brushes. Obviously they're pink. I've been wanting pink makeup brushes for the longest time ever now, so I felt like this was the perfect excuse to buy them. They just match my aesthetic way more instead of random colored ones. I've always kept my makeup brushes in this little gray container. It's not really my vibe, obviously, because you know, I love pink. I'm also gonna replace the container and I'm gonna put my makeup brushes into this little bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. You guys are gonna die. This is where I'm gonna put my cute little pink makeup brushes. Isn't it perfect? I love it. I'm obsessed with it. Oh my god. Now anytime I do my makeup, I'm gonna be so happy because this is what I'm gonna look at. Oh god, okay. I think this one might be even worse than my makeup brushes, but this is where I keep all of my concealers and brow products and lipsticks. It looks very disgusting. We're gonna toss away the bag and then I'm gonna wipe down everything in here because I'm gonna put it in a new bag, and the new bag is just so cute. Look how freaking cute this is. My new makeup bag. I love it. This is too pretty to ruin. I gotta keep this one clean.
place, a spot you from erase. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flowers on your face.
Now we're gonna do this closet that's outside my room. It's a disaster in there, fair warning. This is where I keep all of my shoes, my purses, and just like a bunch of random stuff. This is the first thing that blocks my closet, so we're gonna tackle this first. First one, this is my baby, my prized possession. I literally love her. I've had this for I think a year or two now, and she's in pretty good condition. Very cute bag too, definitely keeping. Another keep. I cannot throw away my Hello Kitty purses, I'm sorry. I can't do it, they're just so cute. I literally have never worn this purse. I think I wore it once. This purse goes with my brown hair, so definitely keeping, definitely keeping. I got this from Sanrio, and oh my god, when I saw it, I was like, I need this in my life immediately. This is also another good bag for when I vlog, so I'm keeping it. Definitely keeping. This is a purse I wear almost every day. Do you guys like my cowgirl boots? This is my cowgirl era during the summer. These boots were pretty expensive and they're still really cute, so I'm definitely keeping these. Okay, I literally have only worn these like maybe 4 times compared to all my other shoes, so I think we're gonna get rid of them. Any of my docs I'm definitely not throwing away because they're expensive and really cute. And these are one of my favorite pairs. They're Marc Jacobs and they have little bears. How cute is that? Honestly, I think I might get rid of these. They're so cute, but I also haven't worn these in a very long time. They kind of look like Doc Martens, but they're not. These are my Naked Wolf boots, definitely keeping. They are so sexy. I love wearing these. They make me feel so powerful. These are so cute and I wore them recently for Halloween. They are so dirty, like, and have so many scuff marks. So I'm not sure if I really want to take them with me. Another pair that is really cute but also really dirty that I don't know if I want to keep. These are my Gucci shoes. They're honestly kind of uncomfortable to wear, but because they are Gucci, I'm not going to throw them away and I'm going to keep them. These are so cute and probably one of the only pair of high heels that I have, so we're definitely keeping. These are so cute. They don't really fit me. They're too small, so sadly, I'm gonna get rid of them. These I love to wear during the summer, so I'm definitely keeping them. They're Coach and they're so cute as well. Oh my god. These Crocs are so cute and comfy, so definitely keeping. Another fave pair of Docs, but they are so dirty. I definitely need to clean these. This is all that is left of my room. It's so empty. It's so weird seeing it like this. Once full of pink and a bunch of cute things, now very empty. I will miss this view for sure. It was very pretty. What a bittersweet moment.